Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are installing this wig from Gorgius, so thank you to Gorgius for sponsoring today's video. So this is a chestnut brown 10-inch umbrella shaped lace wig, meaning I already showed you guys the inside of the cap, so you guys can see there's not a lot of lace, so it's not a closure and it's not a frontal. On their website it is called umbrella shaped lace, so I guess because of the parting space. This wig came in a side part, so you guys are going to see that's why I did a side part with this wig. So I'm just going to go ahead and put some makeup on my lace, and I just put some makeup on my wig cap as well, because there's really no point in bleaching the knots in this wig because, you know, there's barely any lace on here. So I just went ahead and put some makeup on, and I'm just going to go ahead and use my hot comb. I don't know why I did this, y'all, like there really was no point in that, but whatever. What I really enjoyed about this wig though was the color. I really like this color. Like I said, it is in the chestnut brown, and this wig is in 10 inches. I don't know, I really like this color. It's like a dark brown. I usually don't do wigs in this kind of brown color. Also want to mention, this wig is straight out of the box, so I did not wash this wig or anything. It literally came straight out of the box like this, and this texture is in WATERWAVE. If I didn't mention that already, I think I did though. So I'm just gonna cut off all this lace in the front, because they did give me a lot of lace in the front. I don't know why, but yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use my razor. I always use a razor to cut off my lace. I just prefer a razor. I'm not a big fan of using the scissors.
I know that you just used to these bitches. They ain't bout shit, they just with it. I know you met me in a club, but I'm different. I'm really fucking with your heart and my trip. All I wanted was for you to stay. It's the bare minimum for me. I don't wanna throw it all away. It's a good thing, it's a good thing. All I wanted was for you to stay. It's the bare minimum for me. I don't wanna throw it all away, but you gon' have to reciprocate. Oh, now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, now. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, now.
So after cutting off the lace, I'm just going to go ahead and apply this wig to my head. So I'm going to be using my Got To Be Glued spray. And I don't know why I use this spray. I don't know. I just grabbed it. I usually use my Ebon, but I just want to use the Got To Be spray today. So that's what we're going to be using in today's video. And you guys can see I did not do the ball cap method. I just put a wig cap on, put some makeup on my lace and my wig cap. And that was it for this install. Usually for these types of wigs with not a lot of lace, I always prefer to just throw on a wig cap and put some makeup on. I just feel like the ball cap method would really just be so unnecessary, honestly, so it's just easier for me anyway. I didn't apply this wig to my head, and I'm going to go ahead and use my elastic band to make sure that this wig is on tight. And I'm going to go in with my hot comb as well, because I kind of use this as a way to kind of dry the glue. You can simply just use a blow dryer, but a lot of times I also use my hot comb to kind of help me, you know, make sure the lace is like sticking to my skin. So I go ahead and do that as well. And I'm also going to go in with my hot comb again to kind of get this part the way that I want it to. Just flatten out the top a little bit to make sure it's not, you know, too fluffy at the top, because I really don't like my wigs to have like a bump at the top of the wig. That's just not my thing. I don't like it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my hot comb and get this part situated.
I know that you just used to these bitches. They ain't bout shit, they just with it. I know you met me in a club, but I'm different. I'm really fucking with your heart and my trip. All I wanted was for you to stay. It's the bare minimum for me. I don't wanna throw it all away. It's a good thing, it's a good thing. All I wanted was for you to stay. It's the bare minimum for me. I don't wanna throw it all away, but you gon' have to reciprocate. Oh, now.
So any part that I see is kind of long, I'm just going to go ahead and with my scissors and kind of just cut it to make sure that it's even, because I really don't like when I see like a really long piece of hair. It just like messes up the whole look. So I really just wanted to make sure that it was even on both sides. And this wig isn't 10 inches, so you guys can see it's not long at all. It kind of almost reminds me of the length of like a bobbed wig. So yeah, you guys can obviously see it's not a long wig at all. And I feel like this wig was super easy, y'all, also because of the length. Usually with shorter wigs it is not too difficult to install. This wig is in WATERWAVE, so I'm not too sure if you can add water on this hair. I mean, I'm pretty sure you can. You guys are going to see in the later clips. I'm going to go ahead and just use my bubble wand curl. I'm just going to go ahead and curl any of the pieces that I see that may be straightened, because like I said, this wig is straight out of the box, so I really want to make sure everything is just blended. So I'm going to go ahead and use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige on my parting space to kind of just tie this in all together, just to kind of make it look neater as well and kind of give it like a natural look.
It's a good thing, it's a good thing. All I wanted was for you to stay. It's the bare minimum for me. I don't wanna throw it all away, but you gon' have to reciprocate. You can take that back. I've had enough of all that. You tryna cover up what you lack. That's just why. If I got beside, I can see. If you let your guard down, I won't tell no one. You just be yourself, but I'ma teach you that love is built, it can't be bought. I know that you just used to these bitches. They ain't bout shit, they just with it. I know you met me in a club, but I'm different. I'm really fucking with your heart and my trip. All I wanted was for you to stay. It's the bare minimum for me. I don't wanna throw it all away. It's a good thing, it's a good thing. All I wanted was for you to stay. It's the bare minimum for me. I don't wanna throw it all away, but you gon' have to reciprocate. Oh, now. Yeah. Oh, now. Yeah. Oh, now. Yeah. Oh, now. Yeah. First of all, get these bitches. I ain't even care about your wishes. You know I'm a different girl. Can't come from a different world. It ain't even worth us splitting, but if you knew what I was hitting.
So I didn't want to do too much to this wig with baby hair, so I just decided to do like a simple little swoop on the side, nothing too crazy, because like I said, I really didn't want to do too much. I also forgot to mention I did not pluck this wig. Now looking at it, I probably could have plucked it to give it a little more natural look. I feel like the hairline was a little too thick, but I don't know, I didn't pluck the wig, but maybe I'll go in later and pluck it. But like I said, I just did a simple little swoop on the side, nothing too crazy.
It's the bare minimum for me. I don't wanna throw it all away. It's a good thing, it's a good thing. All I wanted was for you to stay. It's the bare minimum for me. I don't wanna throw it all away, but you gon' have to reciprocate. You can take that back. I've had enough of all that. You tryna cover up what you lack. That's just why. If I got beside, I can see. If you let your guard down, I won't tell no one. You just be yourself, but I'ma teach you that love is built, it can't be bought. I know that you just used to these bitches. They ain't bout shit, they just with it. I know you met me in a club, but I'm different. I'm really fucking with your heart and my trip. All I wanted was for you to stay. It's the bare minimum for me. I don't wanna throw it all away. It's a good thing, it's a good thing. All I wanted was for you to stay.
Alright y'all, so that was everything for today's install video, and I also forgot to mention that this wig is also a part of Gorgius Bohemian series. So I will be showing you guys different styles and how you can style this wig with some of the scarves that they sent me. So you guys just stay tuned for that, because I did a couple different looks, y'all, and it came out really cute. So if you guys would like to purchase this wig, do not forget to check my description box down below if you guys would like to purchase this wig. I thank y'all so much for watching. I really hope y'all enjoyed. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.
I ain't even care about your wishes. You know I'm a different girl. Can't come from a different world. It ain't even worth us splitting. But if you knew what I was hitting on, you never would've came at me like that. Never would've tried to play me like that. Like, you don't have to spend no time. Like, you don't have to give your all. Like, you don't have to do it right. Like, you don't have to, like, you don't have to talk to me. Like, you don't have to try and teach me. Like, you ain't have to learn me, earn me. All I wanted was for you to stay. It's the bare minimum for me. I don't wanna throw it all away. It's a good thing, it's a good thing. All I wanted was for you to stay. It's the bare minimum for me. I don't wanna throw it all away, but you gon' have to reciprocate. You can take that back. I've had enough of all that. You tryna cover up what you lack. That's just why. If I got beside, I can see it. If you let your guard down, I won't tell no one. You just be yourself, but I'ma teach you that love is built, it can't be bought. I know that you just used to these bitches. They ain't bout shit, they just with it. I know you met me in a club, but I'm different. I'm really fucking with your heart and my trip. All I wanted was for you to stay. It's the bare minimum for me. I don't get